Hi everybody, this is Unit 4 Part 1 test. I will read the questions and feel free to replay the recording at any time. Question 1 asks, given the interior angle measures of this triangle, what is the correct classification? 40 degrees, 110 degrees, 30 degrees. Is it right triangle, obtuse triangle, equiangular triangle, or acute triangle? Now, number 2, given the lengths of the triangle sides, how would we classify this triangle? The lengths are 36, 29, 44. Is it an equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, or scalene triangle? Question 2b. Given the measures of the triangle's three angles, how would we classify this triangle? Is it a right triangle, obtuse triangle, equiangular triangle, or an acute triangle? Given the measures are 80 degrees, 60 degrees, and 40 degrees. Question 3. The sum of the three interior angles of a triangle must always add up to equal which number of degrees? Is it 45 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, or 360 degrees? Question 4. Given the below diagram, determine the value of x. So you're given two angle measures, 41 degrees, 58 degrees. We need to determine the value of x. Will x be 99 degrees, 81 degrees, 58 degrees, or 41 degrees? Question 5. The sum of a linear pair of angles will always add up to how many degrees? Is it 45 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, or 360 degrees? It's the sum of a linear pair of angles, 45, 90, 180, 360. Number 6, using the triangle exterior angle theorem, determine the value of x. So we have two angles, 64 degrees, 45 degrees inside the triangle. We would like to determine the value for x, which is the exterior angle. Now is x 109 degrees, 71 degrees, 64 degrees, or is x 45 degrees? Number 7, given this diagram below, determine the value of y. Y is located here. Now will y equal 92 degrees, 88 degrees, 50 degrees, or 42 degrees? So we're determining the value of y in this part of our overall diagram. Now 7b asks, given the value you obtained for y in 7a, what will be the value of x in this diagram? X is located this part of the diagram. Will x be 92, 88, 50, or 42 degrees? Number 8a, which side of triangle TRS, TRS is this triangle here, is congruent to the side YZ, which is in the left triangle? Look at your triangle congruence statement. So, is side TR congruent to YZ? Is side RS congruent to YZ? Or is side TS congruent to YZ? Then 8B, which angle of triangle TRS is congruent to angle X? Again, look at your triangle congruence statement. So, which angle in TRS is congruent to angle X? Is it angle R? Is it angle S? Or is it angle T? Sorry about that. Question 9. A. Given the below diagram, triangle QRS is congruent to triangle WXY. Note the exact order of the letters. QRS, WXY. Angle R is congruent to which angle in this triangle? Is angle R congruent to angle W, angle X, or angle Y? Now, what will be the angle measure of angle R? Given the previous question, what will be the angle measure of angle R? Will it be 37 degrees, 63 degrees, or 80 degrees? Now I see. What about that? 9C. Given the below diagram where triangle QRS is congruent to triangle WXY. Again, note the exact order of the letters. Side RS is congruent to which side on this right side triangle? Is side RS congruent to WX, side XY, or side WY? So which side RS is congruent to which one of these three sides? WX, XY, or WY? Question 9D. Given the response to the question from 9C, what is the length of RS? So given your response to the question from 9C, what is the length of RS? Is it 50 millimeters, 75 millimeters, or 83 millimeters? So is RS 50 millimeters, 75 millimeters, or 83 millimeters? Number 10. What must be the angle measure of the missing angle in order to make the two triangles congruent to each other? You're given an angle of 72 degrees and 35 degrees for both the red-pink triangle and the light blue triangle. Therefore, what would be the measure of this third angle in order to make the two triangles congruent? Will it be 70 degrees, 73 degrees, 107 degrees, or 144 degrees? Question 11. The following two triangles are congruent because of which triangle congruence? So how are triangles KLM congruent to XYZ? Is it by side, side, side? Is it by side, angle, side? Is it angle, side, angle? or angle, angle, side? Question 12. The following two triangles are congruent because of which triangle congruence? So, triangle ACB and DFE. Are the following two triangles congruent because of side, 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 angle, side, angle, side, angle, or angle, angle, side? Question 13. The following two triangles are congruent because of which triangle congruence? So triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Are they congruent because of side, 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 angle, side, angle, side, angle, or angle, angle, side? And question 14. The following two triangles are congruent because of which triangle congruence? So we have triangle FED, CBA. Is it because of side, side, side? Is it side, angle, side, angle, side, angle, or angle, angle, side?